Good morning children. Myself Geeta Narayan Gowde. I am working as teacher in Karad Nagar Parishad, school number 3. Today we will see a lesson of English, that is the lion and the mouse. See, this is a topic of second standard 2.4, the lion and the mouse. दुसरीचा हा छानसा असा धडा आहे. टेल अ टेल. बघा हे दोन शब्द दिसतात तुम्हाला, टेल and टेल. Pronunciation is same of those two words, T-E-L-L टेल and T-A-L-E टेल, but the meaning is different. T-E-L-E टेल म्हणजे सांगणे आणि T-A-L-E टेल म्हणजे गोष्ट. टेल अ टेल, गोष्ट सांगा, अशी छानशी गोष्ट आहे. First we will read this topic. See, once a lion was sleeping under a tree. A mouse saw him. He ran up the lion's tail and climbed on his back. He jumped all over his body. He started sliding down the lion's face again and again. The lion got up. He got very angry. He caught the little mouse in his paw. He said angrily, "You naughty mouse, how dare you disturb me? Now see how I punish you. I will eat you." The mouse was afraid. He started trembling. He pleaded, "Oh lion, the king of jungle, I am really sorry. Please forgive me. Please let me go. I will help you someday." The lion laughed and said, "Oh really, you little mouse? How can you help me? That's so funny. Anyway, go. Get away from here." Then he set the mouse free. "Thank you, friend. Thank you so much," said the mouse and ran away quickly. A few days later, the lion was caught in a hunter's net. He was roaring loudly. The mouse heard it and ran to the lion. He saw the lion caught in the net. He got his friends. All the mice came together and nibbled the big net with their sharp teeth. They set the lion free. The lion said, "Thank you, dear little mouse. You saved my life." This is a topic, the lion and the mouse. Now we will explain this. I will explain this topic to you. See here. This is a lion, and one day what happened, that lion was sleeping in a shade of the tree, under the tree. He was sleeping there very nicely, and at that time what happened, around there one mouse was there, and that mouse saw the lion. त्या mouse ना ह्या lion ला बघितलं. Lion means माहिती का तुम्हाला, लायन म्हणजे सिंह. And he was sleeping, झोपलेला होता तो झाडाखाली. And a mouse saw him. Saw means बघणे. That mouse saw him, त्यानं बघितलं. He ran up the lion's tail and climbed on his back. See here, this is a tail. Tail means safety. That mouse saw the lion and he thought that lion is sleeping. Now I can play with him. He will not do anything to me. So he came near the lion's tail. इथं शेपटी जवळ आला and he climbed on his back. इथं वरती चढला, पाठीवरती. Climbed on his back. Climb means चढणे. He climbed on his back. पाठीवरती चढला. Then he started playing on his back. He thought what? That lion is sleeping now, so he will not do anything now. I can play on his back properly. He is too broad for me and I can play here very nicely. Who thought that? That mouse thought, and he jumped all over his body. He got a nice place like a grass and all, and he started bouncing on his back. He started jumping on his back, and again one thing what he did see, he started sliding. Sliding म्हणजे बघा घसरगुंडी माहिती आहे का तुम्हाला? घसरगुंडी म्हणजे स्लाइड आणि त्या घसरगुंडीवर घसरणे म्हणजे स्लाइडिंग. Like that mouse started sliding on his face. तिथून तो काय करायला लागला? वरती शेपटीवरून चढायचं आणि इकडून खाली घसरायचं. Like that he started climbing on his back, then coming towards his face, and from here he started sliding down. Again and again he did the same thing. That time lion was in so sleepy. He was so sleepy. तो खूप गाढ झोपेत होता. पण परत डिस्टर्ब केल्यामुळे that mouse disturbed him, and because of that lion got up. Suppose जर तुम्ही खूप झोपेत आहात, तुम्हाला कोणी उठवलं तर तुम्हाला राग येणार की नाही? Like that only, that lion got very angry. What did he now? He was angry. So he is very cruel animal, we know that. What did? He caught the little mouse in his paw. Paw means one leg of the lion. This is the paw. हा पाय. paw जो इथं समोर पंजा असतो त्याला आपण paw असं म्हणतो. ह्या पायाच्या पंजाला paw असं म्हटलं जातं. And what he did? He caught the little mouse in his paw. You can see here how he caught the little mouse. He caught the little mouse and he said angrily. He was too much angry at that time, like ourselves only. If anybody disturb us, then we feel angry. Like that only that lion felt angry. And he what said? You naughty mouse. Naughty means काय? तर खोडकर. Naughty म्हणजे खोडकर. खोड्या जो काढतो तो खोडकर. Like that naughty mouse was there. You naughty mouse, how dare you disturb me? Dare means धाडस. Dare means धाडस. तो काय बोलला त्याला? तू एवढासा खोडकर माऊस आणि तू असं धाडस कसं केलास की मला त्रास द्यायचं किंवा मला डिस्टर्ब करायचं? Then he again said, now see how I punish you. I will eat you. He said what? See. He replied that again. That now see, आता बघ तू मी तुला कशी पनिशमेंट देतो आणि मी तुला खाऊन टाकतो. Suppose if you were the mouse, तुम्ही जर माऊस असता, then what you will think? Oh, it is very dangerous. Now that lion will eat me and you will afraid. Like that same, the mouse was afraid. Afraid means भीती. Afraid means भीती. He was afraid, too much afraid. He started trembling. His body was shaking all over. Trembling means थरथरणे. Like that his body overall shaking. And he pleaded. If anyone caught in a dangerous situation, then he will ask or please to that one. Like that only that mouse pleaded. Pleaded म्हणजे काय बघा? तर आपल्याला कृपा कर असं म्हणून त्याला आपण गळगळा पडणे म्हणजेच काय? प्लेडेड. त्याला विनंती केली. प्लेडेड मीन्स विनंती केली. ओ लायन, द किंग ऑफ जंगल. बट व्हाट ही डिड? ही thought that if I want to convince the lion to relieve me, then I should praise the lion. Lion ची जर मी स्तुती केली तर तो मला नक्की सोडेल असं त्या माऊसला वाटलं. He thought that and he started praising to that lion. Oh lion, the king of jungle, how he said this? See here that lion made proud. Because of that mouse speaking, the lion made proud that मी कोणतरी मोठा आहे असं प्राऊड फील झालं कुणाला? ह्या लायनला. का? ओ लायन, द किंग ऑफ जंगल. हे वाक्य कोणी बोललं? माऊसनं. तो काय म्हणाला? अरे बाबा सिंहा, तू तर जंगलाचा राजा. आय एम रिअली सॉरी. एकदम तो काय म्हणाला बघा? तू एवढा मोठा जंगलाचा राजा, खरंच माझी खूप चुकी झाली. आय एम रिअली सॉरी. अँड ही टोल्ड that I am sorry, please forgive me. मला माफ कर. तू इतका मोठा आहेस तर मला एवढं तरी करू शकतोस ना? अशा प्रकारे त्याने काय केलं बघा? तर आपण म्हणतो बघा, एखादा माणूस जास्त रागात असेल तर त्याची स्तुती करून आपण त्याला त्याचा राग थोडासा that mouse prays to the lion and then lion became happy. How he said, see, I am really sorry, please forgive me, please let me go, मला जाऊ दे, माझ्यावर कृपा कर, and I will help you someday. Again what he said, see, मी जरी छोटा असलो ना तरी मी तुला कधीतरी नक्की मदत करेल. I will help you one day. If you are in a dangerous situation, that time I will help you. The lion laughed and said, lion thought, how little mouse will help me. हा एवढासा माऊस कसा काय मदत करेल मला. And so he laughed, म्हणजे मोठ्याने हसला तो. Laugh means मोठ्याने हसणे. Said means म्हणणे. Said is the past form of say. say त्याचा हा past form आहे. said. The lion laughed and said, oh really, you little mouse, how can you help me? He said that you are too much little to help me. How can you help me? You are not able to help me. You don't have any qualities to help me, so you cannot help me. Who said? The lion said to the mouse. Lion ना mouse ला काय म्हटलं बघा? तू एवढासा mouse काय मला मदत करणार? And again he said, that's so funny. Anyway, go, get away from here. पण असू दे, जा, एवढा मी राजा आहे जंगलाचा, तुला जाऊ देतो. So he said what? राहू दे तरी पण तू जाऊ शकतोस. Go, get away from here. इथून खूप लांब जा, मला परत डिस्टर्ब करायला येऊ नको, असं लायन म्हटलं. Then he said the mouse free. आणि त्याने काय केलं? माऊसला सोडून दिलं. The mouse was free now. Now he what did see? Here he not started running from there. He what did? First of all he thanked to the lion. He said, thank you friend, thank you so much. See here, we can see a good thing of mouse, that is he made the lion friend. त्या mouse ने त्या lion ला आपला मित्र बनवला. And he said, thank you friend, thank you so much. And after that mouse started running from there. After saying those words to the lion, he ran away from there. That incident ended at one day. But what happened after some days? See, after few days later, few means some, काही. Later means नंतर, काही दिवसानंतर. After some days, what happened? The lion was caught in a hunter's net. Hunter means शिकारी. Hunter means शिकारी. आणि या शिकाऱ्याच्या जाळ्यात, नेट म्हणजे जाळे, तुम्ही इथे बघू शकता. That lion was caught in a hunter's net. हे नेट आहे. हंटर्स म्हणजे शिकाऱ्याच्या जाळ्यात लायन म्हणजे आपला सिंह अडकला. The lion was caught in a hunter's net. He was roaring loudly. See, if we are in any dangerous situation, then we are starting shouting and we ask for help somebody. Like that only, that lion was roaring that somebody help me, somebody come, somebody make free from this net. Like that he started roaring. Animals knows their language. Every animals can understand others animals language. Like that only the mouse heard his language and he understood that lion is in any dangerous situation. That hunter's net he was caught, but he was roaring loudly. तो खूप मोठ्याने ओरडत होता, प्रे करत होता, कोणतरी या मला वाचवा. The mouse heard it. माऊस ने काय केलं? ते ऐकलं. He heard means ऐकणे. Heard means ऐकणे. He heard it and he ran to the lion. He understood that lion is in any dangerous situation, so I should help him. I have to go for the help of my friend. So he went near the lion. He saw the lion caught in the net. He saw that the situation is very critical. That lion is caught in a big net and that net is very strong. So the lion cannot make himself free from the net. तो लायन स्वतःला फ्री करू शकत नव्हता कारण ते नेट खूप मोठं होतं आणि स्ट्रॉंग होतं जे तुटू शकत नव्हतं. Now at that time only that mouse got an idea. What he said, my teeth are very sharp. I can nibble this net, but I cannot nibble within some time. So I should call my friends. मी हे झाड तोडू शकतो पण मला त्याला खूप वेळ लागेल. So he called his friends. त्याने आपल्या मित्रांना बोलवलं. He called his friends and all the mice came together. We know that unity is strength. जर एकत्र येऊन आपण काम केलं कोणतंही तर ते काम नक्की सक्सेसफुल होतं. Like that only they all mice came together and nibbled the big net. They started nibbling from one by one. So the big net they nibbled with their sharp teeth. त्यांच्या दातांनी त्यांनी हे जाळं तोडलं. का तर ते भरपूर सारे होते आणि एकत्र येऊन त्यांनी काम केलं. And one important thing is त्यांना ते करायचं होतं. त्यांची इच्छाशक्ती प्रबळ होती. त्यांना ते करायचंच होतं. युनिटी आणि इच्छाशक्ती याच्या जोरावर यांनी काय केलं मोठं असं जाळं सुद्धा त्यांनी काय केलं निबल केलं. आणि मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टंट थिंग इज फ्रेंडशिप. फॉर अ फ्रेंडशिप व्हॉट वी आर सेइंग दॅट अ फ्रेंड इन नीड टू फ्रेंड इन नीड. बघा जर आपण एखाद्या आपल्या मित्राला गरजेच्या वेळी मदतीला गेलो ना तर तो आपला खरा मित्र असतो. त्याच प्रकारे ह्या लायनला or that mouse helped in his critical situation. माऊसने काय केलं बघा ह्याच्या वाईट परिस्थितीत क्रिटिकल सिच्युएशन मध्ये याची हेल्प केली या लायनची आणि त्याला फ्री केलं. They nibbled the big net and they set the lion free. त्याने लायनला काय केलं मोकळं केलं फ्री केलं. The lion said, "Thank you dear little mouse, you saved my life." Here that lion who was laughing before that he was said, जेव्हा बघा ह्या उंदराने सांगितलं I will help you one day. That time that lion was laughed. How it cannot happen that you are so small, you will not help me any day. Like that he thought. But then he made that mouse free. And because of that, that mouse helped him. And now he understood that. What is the moral of this story? Do you know? We have many morals of this story. One, that friend in need to friend in need. Second one, unity is the strength. And third and most important, that is no one is too small or too weak to help another. कोणीही इतका लहान किंवा कमकुवत नसतो दुसऱ्याला मदत करायला. He has some qualities to help another. ह्याच्याकडे सुद्धा काहीतरी क्वालिटीज होत्या ज्यामुळे ह्या लायनला मदत केली ह्या माऊसनं. So we should respect every creature if it is small or big. That will also help us one day. So आपल्याला माहिती आहे एवढीशी मुंगी सुद्धा बघा तिच्या वजनाच्या 10 पट अशी साखरेचं ओझं घेऊन जाऊ शकते. मग हा माऊस तर आहे. सो वी शुड नॉट टॉलरेट एनीबडी. आपण कुणालाही टॉलरेट करायचं नाही, कमीपणा आणायचा नाही. सगळ्यांना त्यांच्या क्वालिटीज नुसार भरपूर काही येत असतं. सो रिस्पेक्ट एव्हरीवन आणि प्रत्येकाला रिस्पेक्ट देणे गरजेचं असतं. जसं लायनने म्हटलं हे एवढासा माऊस तू काय करणार पण तरी देखील ह्या माऊसने याची मदत केली. तसं आपल्यालाही आपल्या आयुष्यात भरपूर छोटे मोठे कोणीही मदत करू शकतं. सो रिस्पेक्ट एव्हरीवन. अँड आय थिंक यू अंडरस्टूड दिस स्टोरी अँड you like this story. If you like, then you should read this story once at your home. And there are some difficult words under the story. Those are see here. Lion. Lion means सिंह. Mouse. Mouse म्हणजे उंदीर. Little. Little means छोटासा. Little means छोटासा. Please. Please means कृपया. Please this word we are using to ask for help. किंवा काहीतरी मागायचं असेल तेव्हा कृपा करून द्या किंवा कृपा करून चला असं कृपयासाठी हा प्लीज वर्ड वापरला जातो. Then is sorry. Sorry means माफ करा. Sorry means माफ करा. Now thank you. Thank you म्हणजे काय तर आपण जेव्हा एखाद्याने आपल्याला मदत केली तर आपण त्याला थँक यू म्हणतो, त्याचे आभार मानतो तेव्हा हा शब्द वापरतात. आभारी आहोत म्हणजेच काय थँक यू. आभारी आहोत. व्हेरी. व्हेरी म्हणजे खूप. व्हेरी मीन्स खूप खूप जास्त असं व्हेरी. आणि अवे. अवे म्हणजे दूर. अवे मीन्स